Welcome to Iron Slug's garage.
I got a strap.
You got a tie strap. Oh my goodness.
Is there gonna be a strap too?
Today we are actually gonna get the ignition wiring done. Probably can't see it here. I'm gonna snip it off of the Crown Vic wiring. Twist the wires that need to be twisted together.
I got a new wire.
And hopefully it works with the
I'm gonna get a new wire.
the truck's ignition, so we'll see what happens there. You gonna get the wires?
And this had to be with this.
Okay. And she'll get the wires for us, and we'll get to it.
Wire.
You're gonna get wires?
Yeah. And cut it down.
Okay, that took forever. Gotta keep that.
Two. I need you to get me this.
No,
My
it's not.
grandma.
Yeah, so where's your wire?
I can't get a wire because I don't know where is a wire.
Alright, give me a second.
And so I got a new wire for this.
Okay.
So let's put this in
Alright, hang on.
here. We have to
Shh, Mama's coming. She doesn't know where we are. Shh, shh, shh.
Who's talking?
On camera.
Where's Emily?
I don't know. I haven't seen that
Is she
one.
getting her pretty dress all dirty?
No, she's just sitting here. It's not.
What? Don't put that in your mouth.
I did it.
Yeah, you were getting yourself all dirty.
She was already dirty before she even got in here.
Why you gotta put the camera on me?
We got Mama on the camera.
Yeah. Oh, where I have to put a new screen? Where I have to put it?
Where do you think? You can guess.
I need to just get stuff on here.
Okay.
On the other side. One more here.
Oh, jeez.
I need this one in here. Just take a temperature. Iron slugs wash.
That's right. Good job. Here,
And
here.
we have to write my name on it.
Got my ignition in here. So, ignition. Here's one I ordered for the 53. It looked really cool on there, but
Hi.
I wanted to say the 53s were a push button start truck, so this one just clicks on and that's it. So I just went to AutoZone. I just bought this one here, and
My dad is getting an autograph because him is annoying me.
and so you got power. So I just yeah, so we got the, gosh, I want to say this one went to start it, whatever these three are for all more power. And so, well, I got these four all spliced together, there's two green ones spliced together, and the green one by itself spliced together.
Yours is all the
Let's see. See, I got my nifty wiring diagram for 095 Victoria. I'm sure it works for other years as well. I was kind of bouncing around back and forth on this thing. So on this 13-1 page here, you probably can't see it very well. Yeah, I was kind of looking at my wire colors. So the light green and the violet, followed those. So they go to the junction block and then to the generator. So I put those ones to battery, I believe. The white, the violet, the gray and gray. I was bouncing around following all these ones. They go to some other accessories. I can't remember the other battery. Okay, so these four I put to ignition power. And then the dark green, that one goes straight to the starter. So that one I put to coil. I think it's right. I hope it is. It's fucking turned over. Yeah, so there's a quick little update. I got a key in the dash. I think that's pretty cool. So I've completely eliminated all Crown Victoria dash accessories. No steering column. I'll get back to you guys later on the cluster. Don't worry about that. We're not using the Crown Vic one. AutoZone special ignition, $15. Not bad. I'm happy that it works. It looks not as cool as the original one, but it's whatever. I'm not worried about it. Battery, I moved it over so I can have room for when I weld my bed in. So it's gonna go there. Yeah. That's it. It's a good day. So thanks for watching. You know, if my ignition wiring is not correct, feel free to let me know. And if any of you guys have advice on a different Ford ignition that I can keep the look going, yeah, let me know what other ones I could probably use for that. The AutoZone special one's gonna stay for now. Ignition wires, spliced. Fancy AutoZone. Fuel pump power.